Welcome to Terminal Guruji, your one-stop destination for mastering Python. In today's video, we're going to talk about string and what are the important methods that we should know about string. So let's get started. So first of all, I have to declare one string and I have declared here A equal to Virat is goat of cricket. Now my requirement is that I want the first character of this string in capital letter, like V in this case in capital letter. Then I can go for capitalize method. So see, we got V in capital letter. Now my requirement is that I want everything in small letter. So it is already in small letter. But if I write some, if I modify this text little bit, so now each word in this string is starting with capital letter. So now my requirement is that I want everything in small letter. So we can go for case fold method, and it will convert everything to small case or lower case. Now my requirement is that in Virat's goat of cricket string, I want to find out how many times A has occurred. So I can simply write A dot count. So I'm telling count how many times this A, or you can also give substring, is present inside this sentence. Okay, spelling mistake. COUNT. En is missing. So see, we got the two. So it is telling that A is occurring two times, one here and the another one here. So like this. Then we have seen split method in previous video, but again we'll see it. It is one of the most important method in string concept. So that's, so I'm writing some random text, and each word inside this string is comma separated. So now my requirement is that I want to split it inside a list. Like apple should be a single element, banana should be single element, and grape should be treated as single element. So inside collection, so I can go for a list concept. So text. So now what will happen is this, we will get split function returns a list, and it by default separate based on space parameter. But now I will specify here comma, because my separator should, I'm telling that separate these string based on this comma separator. So now I'll get apple, banana and grape. Now suppose here we don't have this comma, then you simply just don't provide anything, because by default split these substring based on a space separator. So if I run this, then again we'll get same output, apple, banana and grape. So this is how split method works. Then we'll look at the other methods like join, because if you use split, 99% of time you are going to use join as well. So then what is join? So so first of all, we have to store this in some variable, like b is equal to, so now we will have this list, and just simply print b. and now we will use that expression join of B. So now here what will happen is everything R will get we will get this string back to this state like this: apple, banana, and grape. Now its date B's data type is list, and this it is treating each element as each word as a single element. But my requirement is that I want to connect everything present inside this list and treat it as a string. Then I should go for this expression join method and this expression. First I have to write the empty string, then I have to specify dot, then join, and this collection which is B. Now what I will get is apple, banana, and grape, everything joined together. So like this. But here I specify space. I get everything with space. Now my requirement is I want to find index. Like since we have got this string, now my requirement is I want to know the index of G inside the string. So I can go for r dot. Now it is giving me 15. That means this G is present on 15th index. So we'll start counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it is G is present on 15th index. So that is what we are getting. Similarly, if I write here something like Z, now Z is not present inside this string. So we will get -1 because it is not present. -1 is telling nothing but it is not present inside this string. This is Z. So my requirement is now I want to check uh, is every character present inside a string is capital or not. So I have to declare one string again, and it should be all in capital letters. So I'm overwriting that a variable, and see a is in like entire string is in capital letter. Now a dot, so it will return true if any single character is in small, like SACHIN, and H is in small letter, we'll execute it. We will get false. So like this. So if this video added some value to your tech journey, please like, share, and subscribe.